You know that tightness in your chest when someone says, "So, when's the next family gathering?" You smile. You nod. But something inside your stomach whispers, "Please, not again." If that's you, this one's going to hit different. 1. Family gatherings as joy versus drain. For some people, family gatherings are the highlight of the year. Connection, laughter, belonging. But for others, it feels like walking into a room where the air is too thick to breathe, where every question is a landmine, where you're performing a version of yourself you don't even recognize anymore. Not because you hate your family, but because the space between who you are now and who they expect you to be feels impossible to bridge. And when you walk through that door, something shifts. The noise, the questions, the unspoken expectations, they don't just annoy you, they drain you. 2. Science of sensory memory. Psychologists call this emotional overstimulation. Introverts and highly sensitive people process stimuli deeply. Family gatherings aren't just loud, they're layered. Small talk you don't care about, probing questions about your life, passive-aggressive jokes, the sheer volume of performing. Out there in daily life, you've built boundaries. You know when to engage and when to retreat. But at family gatherings, those boundaries evaporate. You're back in a system that formed you but no longer fits you. Your nervous system remembers old roles, old dynamics, unspoken rules. Even if you've moved on, your body hasn't forgotten. That's not social anxiety. That's sensory and emotional memory colliding with your present self. 3. Trauma and forced intimacy. Here's the part people don't talk about. It's not just overstimulation. For many who dread family gatherings, unresolved issues linger. Childhood dynamics, constant comparison, toxic patterns, boundary violations, dismissiveness, emotional neglect that everyone pretends are normal. And the worst part? You're expected to show up, smile, act like everything's fine. Psychologists call this forced intimacy with unresolved trauma. You're asked to be vulnerable in a space that historically hasn't been safe. Your brain does what it's designed to do. It protects you, makes you want to leave, exhausts you before you even arrive. That's not avoidance, that's self-preservation. 4. Growth through boundaries. Here's something most people never admit. Those who dread family gatherings the most have often done the most emotional work. They've gone to therapy, set boundaries, built a life that actually feels like theirs. Walking back into the family system feels like regression, like stepping into a museum of who you used to be. Psychologists say these people often have higher emotional intelligence. They're not running from connection, they're protecting the version of themselves they fought hard to become. That's not cold, that's growth. If this resonates, hit that subscribe button and join the community. More insights on psychology and human behavior are coming. You'll want to see what's next.